All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments. If you could, definitely make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment. The algorithm seems to be giving this channel a little bit of a hard time, so really, guys, a like and a comment go a long way. So today we're gonna get a cold start. We're gonna head over to RZT and do something that I probably should have did right out of the gate. We're gonna go and protect these turbos. Oh shit. All right, so one of the things that we're gonna do is put some screens on the turbo, and also too, we have a boost controller that's gonna be going in, so when this thing goes up on the dyno, we can, you know, potentially bump it up past the 7 pounds that it has right now. It is on a 7-pound spring, and I think that the max is about 14 pounds on that spring, so. I'm just putting some thought on where I'm gonna mount it. So this is like a manual dial, right? That you can kind of just go underneath the hood and so
just like, listen, you know, right now it's at less boost. You want more boost, you just keep cranking this knob.
Okay.
It's not the most accurate, it's not as accurate as electronic, but it works freaking mint.
Okay.
It works mint.
And like the lowest boost setting is 7 pounds, correct?
It'll be the spring pressure, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so once you turn this thing all the way to the left, that's, you know, minusing boost, and once you go to the right, it's adding boost.
Gotcha. Okay. And the max you could do is 14 pounds, you said, right?
I mean, the tuner will be more, you know, more likely to tell you exactly what it'll be good for, but that's going to be something for, you know, for the tuner to tell you.
Okay.
You know. Moving right here wouldn't be too bad. You got to sit flat.
That's not a bad spot. Pretty solid spot.
Yeah,
that looks good. Yeah, that looks.
You can just drop the hose right through here and back there, you know. So not on the motor.
Nice.
Down and boost, up and boost to the right. Counterclockwise, so always keep it low. You know what you can do is these things are going to make a big change in each click, so you can always dot a spot with a certain color. Have like a set point, like let's say you put a line here and a dot here, so you know that if you crank it you know, 3 clicks this way, you'll get X amount of boost, you know?
Yeah. So this way, like, if I could have like multiple tunes, like kill zone. Yeah, okay.
A little higher boost, you know? So got that in. So the way this works is pretty much the amount of pressure you send to the wastegate, the more the wastegate opens.
Okay.
Right? So this is where the boost pressure is getting created. The boost pressure creates pressure to open the wastegate valves. When you use this to reduce how much air goes to the wastegates, it opens less. More air, more open, less air, less open. Less open gives you more boost, more open gives you, you know, well, more open gives you less boost, less open gives you more boost.
Okay.
You know, so the more boost pressure, because all the wastegates are doing is getting rid of the extra air that you're not using. So by using a boost controller, you can have it open up more, regulate the boost better, and keep you at a nice steady 7 pounds. And when you increment it, it reduces how much air travels through here, opens less, gives you more boost. You know?
Okay.
You can always get a lot more high tech with these. You got electronic ones that you can put in, and it's way more efficient, where you can go in increments of like, you know, 2 pounds at a time. You know, the system gets smarter. You know, something like this will give you a fluctuation, maybe 3-4 pounds at a time. You know,
Okay.
Give or take, and you find that sweet spot.